kin yi linta yanzu ga rayuwar da halin da ya shiga ciki magani me zai hana a saida mun ku sai man ko ɗaki ɗaya ne in zauna da yara in dinga biya musu kuɗin makaranta da kaina. Sai ta ce ita a'a. Ashe muna nan ina Gombe ashe ciwo ya ƙara tashi. Sai ciwo ya tashi.
Hold on there first. She say at a point in time when she dey after the husband done well, where they come carry and come back again, come lock am for guard room. She say the parents of her husband come talk say she dey chop him money. Say she dey chop him money. And see na small businesses wey she dey do, she take dey survive. They say and the rent for the house where then they live can't expire. They come talk say in order for them to dey sure say no be money she dey chop, make she come back village for Gombe State. When you got local government? Balanga local government. The name of the village now? Launyawu. Now, so she moved with her children 1 month, 2 months. She did there, she know say the mental problem don't start again. Now, the mother can't tell her say, and unfortunately for the husband, Naim be the only Muslim for their family. Everybody na Christian. So the mother-in-law tell her say her son, whether they call Yaya now waiting that they call him for the family, talk say him been build house, he don't reach roofing level. Where ta tambaye ki abinda za ku yi da gidan ne?
A'a, ce mata dai kawai ne mu zauna ne in dinga zama da yara.
Labarin gidan, ta yaya labarin gidan ya zo?
Ni kawai ina zaune ne ta gaya min haka.
So she can't tell her. Now, as she can't hear this one, she can't tell, say, Mama, because of medicine for treatment and other things, and these children, school fees and the rest, why not make una sell the house? Make una buy me even one room. Make me and these children dey. Make we dey manage life. Make I dey pay these children school fees by myself and the rest. The mother talk say no. Nadia we stop. Say her.
Da ta ce haka, sai na ce mata to shikenan. Wata na 3, 4 ya aka kira aka ce ai ciwon Abbas ya tashi. A je a same shi. Sai na gaya mata ta ce ina ita ba ta iya zuwa ba. Wani ta baki iya zuwa ba na ta ce ina ce to. Na shirya sai na dawo Kaduna sai na tafi. Da na je sai na koma office din MP. Sai suka ce mu yanzu ba zan kira Nuhu Jideran ba ya ƙara kai shi asibiti?
After like 3-4 months, where the madness come back, they come call her say as they come out and from hospital, the madness don't resume now for cell or for guard room. She come make arrangements say make she they come. So she can't tell the mother that her mother-in-law say make them go. The mother-in-law say she no they go anywhere. So she come arrange come Abuja. As soon as she come, those military people come they make mockery of her. Say, oh okay now you no go back to Rear Admiral Nuhu Jideri again.
Sai na ce musu to ne ta siyo mu mijina magani ina bashi yana sha.
She can't go they buy medicine they give her husband for guard room.
Ne ta siyo mai magani ciwo har ya kai kusan shekara a jikin shi ba su kai shi asibiti ba. Sai na ce musu to sai suka ce sai an ɗau lauya. Na ce yana wannan condition din za a ɗau lauya? Sai aka ce tunda yana da ƙanin shi yana aiki a MGO sai a MGO.
Nani MGO kuma?
NGO. Okay. Sai suka ce to sai suka gaya mai sai ya ce za su lauya suka ɗau lauya. Ina nan dai kuma ba wanda ya taɓa zuwa inda yake duka family ɗin shi ɗin ba wanda ya taɓa zuwa.
all this while wey this man dey detention, none of his family members come visit am. She say after they carry am come back, he run mad again for 1 year. All this one attempt wey she dey make buy am small small medicine, the thing no work. One day they come talk say he go need lawyer. She come talk say for this condition, which lawyer again? They say they must need lawyer. Now that time she come remember say he get junior brother wey dey work with NGO. They come talk. The junior brother come agree. Sun dauki lawyer.
Suka ɗau lauya.
They come get lawyer for the brother.
Na yi ta siyo mai magani, in na yi sati 3 sai in tafi gida. Haka dai. Sai na ƙarshe sai suka ce min to za su kawo shi Kaduna. Sai na ce musu to.
Kawo shi na?
Za su ƙara kawo shi Kaduna Portofom.
So all this while, back and forth, now she go come Abuja, come do 3 weeks. They take care of her, come go back. She go come back in the next month, spend 3 weeks, go back. Finally, they can agree to carry and go back to 44 military hospital.
Sai yan uwa shi sai suka tunanin ai da na zo Abuja akwai kuɗi. Suka ta damu na na koma gidan.
So in brothers, in family, continue say as she come Abuja now, money don't enter her hand, come they worry her. Make she come back. Now she go back to a village.
Na koma village inda ta tabbatar ba kuɗi. Idan na ci abinci da daddare to sai wani daren.
They can't discover saying money no day. She, kuma da yara?
Da yaran.
She and her children, if they chop for night until tomorrow for another night.
Aka ba mu ɗaki muka zauna a ƙasa muke kwana ban damu ba saboda.
They give them room. Now for ground, she and the children they sleep.
Na yi ta rayuwa har kusan wata 8 ina wannan rayuwa.
For like 8 months, then they sleep for ground. They suffer eating once only at night.
Na yi ta wannan rayuwar. Na dawo gida. To ni kuma ƴan uwana suka ce sai dai in rabu da shi. Sai na nuna musu illar cewa ƴaƴana kuma faga halin da za su shiga.
Yeah, when she come back, her family talk say make she divorce her. She come talk say make them consider her children. Da me kuma?
Sai suka ce in ban yadda ba za su cire hannunsa a kaina. Sai na ce na yadda.
The family come talk say if she know this, they divorce her. Say they go comot hand for her matter, like more like disowning her. And she say she agree. Make them disown her.
Na ce na yadda. Shiru ba a kawo baban Shahid ba. Kullum zan je Abuja in kai mai magani. Da ƙyar aka samu aka kai mai bayan shekara 4. Sai aka kawo shi 2022 aka kawo shi 44. Aka kawo shi 44 lokacin sai aka ce mun ba zan gan shi ba, sai na je na kai report. An kawo shi an kai shi 1 dip, sai na je 1 dip. Sai na ce a to ai kun sani, suka ce a wannan karan ya canza, ki je ki gani. Sai na tafi na je 1 dip, ina zuwa 1 dip sai aka haɗa ni da US Ibrahim, Captain US Ibrahim. Sai ya ce ke ce matar wani Abbas? Na ce ni ce matar Sima Abbas. Sai ya ce a to ya na ganki haka? Sai na ce na me fa? Sai ya ce a to ai an ce mana ba mata sai dai yara guda 2. Gashi kuma ke ga dan lokacin gun jinya da na zo har na samu ciki.
Camera. Person wey no dey hear Hausa go miss this one, and I no go translate this one. Make I translate. No, I go. We know I go seek her consent. If she say make I translate, I go translate. If she do, and these are the country, and these are the life. At least she don't help me.
Yes.
My mood dey very, very terrible. I don't know whether I observe say no be me sit down there. Now she bring back life to me. I just dey translate. Me wey I know they forget things. She go just talk now. When I notice say I no even.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So Akaramukala, now your laugh they pay me now. So they come that time where they talk say they go carry and come 44. They no carry and come. For a very long time. After like a long time now they come carry and come 44. She go see him. They say she no go see him until she go one div. She say, but one div they aware now. They say no, this time around the instruction they different too. That is only God know what thing they don't twist add on top. So she can't go one div. They can't link her up with Captain
US
Ibrahim. Huh? Captain US Ibrahim come to say, you thought say now you be the wife of Seaman
Abbas.
He say yes. Huh? But I see you like this. They talk say you no get wife, now only 2 children. And what are they see now? You dey pregnant. I say this time where she dey go stay with them. That 3 weeks where she dey do. I'm telling you. So, you know, no, normally now, she is a human being. She not try. How many of them fit endure? Husband there for sale 6 years. He run mad. You still there with him. Something when we say if he strangulate her, kill her. If he carry in Pekin, shake her, and they say the guy huge. Wait. Your husband stand up, and this man who big pass. Talk to me. Okay, sit down. Stand up. Your husband and this man.
He
big. Oh. Now see man, he big person. Normally smaller women they like huja men. Just like we will be smaller men with they like huja. smaller. Hujara.
Hujas.
So, you know, as they go take care of her husband, they take care of each other. We call it sunnah. Yeah? Sunnah Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So in the course of taking care of the husband, they can't take care of themselves, and God can't bless them. So Captain Ibrahim.
Captain US
Ibrahim. Can't say, I can't see Bella. He say, nah. So Nadia will stop. Well, this thing, sweet women pass. Telling you. Waiting. Okay, who Kuba? Yeah. Thank you. Make we appreciate Ogada Ajia. You know they follow us carry heavy thing. But waiting they carry for him brain big pass waiting with they carry with hand. To say akaya say she US Ibrahim ya ce me
sai ce to ya na ganki haka sai na ce mai to ya aka ce maka sai ya ce ai an ce mai wata mace ce da yara guda biyu. Na ce ai ba ka gani wancan karin ba sai ya ce sai ya ce to ya aka yi kika ciki haka.
to kuma
sai na ce mai ai lokacin kaga yanzu yanda condition din yake ya dade yana ciwo to idan na kai mai magani wani sai ya dan ba mu daki to kaga yanda ciwon yake fita yake to idan naga zai fita sai in janyo shi
Hausa duniya wallahi kai oh person wey no marry intelligent woman don lose. So Captain Ibrahim US Ibrahim come say they tell her say na one woman with one pregnant woman with 2 children. Why I can't see you like this? She say you know say this sickness don tey and na me dey go give am medicine. And anytime wey the thing wan start like this, you go wan comot, I go come draw am near me. So from the near me like this, na make una clap for her now. No be everything then they explain in details. Una understand? Be una no understand.
This medicine when she give am so you know say they help cool him body well. Well. Now him make.
Mama, you say.
Embe. That is the best medicine so far.
Una know they see mad women with belly.
Yes.
Continue.
Sai ya ce to shikenan Allah ya sauke ki lafiya. Ai an ce mana wai ATM din shi da komai da aka kawo yan uwan shi sun ce ka a baki. Wai baki bace next of kin din shi dan uwan shi ne. Sai na ce mishi to tunda haka suka ce maka amma yanzu ga condition din da kike. Ki saka hannu zan baki ATM ki je ki sai kaya wanda zaki haihu. Sai na ce mishi to nagode amma sai na ce mai kaga Abbas ni nake sai mai kayan sawa da magani. Yanzu a rubuta zan dinga siyo mai kaya tunda yana nan. Duk abin da na siyo zan kawo ka dinga gani ka zama shaida. Sai ya ce min to duk wata zan sai ma Abbas kaya set 4 in kai mai portfolio sai na kawo ma US Ibrahim. A haka har wata rana sai na haihu.
Okay, hold on there. Ibrahim can't tell her say in family as them bring ATM and other things, the family talk say may they no give her. Say no be she be the next of kin. But he say with this condition now, no. Say me she just sign. Say him go give her the ATM. So that she can't tell her say all this while except now me they buy medicine for him. They buy clothes for him. No be with their money, no be with him money. She can't tell say so that she go get money to buy baby things. You understand? She can't add say no be only baby things. Say he go agree. May she they buy baby things and then buy her husband medicine inside the money and then buy and clothes. But she go they bring am make he serve as witness to her. That is Captain Ibrahim. Anytime when she buy the medicine, buy the clothes, every month she would buy 4 sets of clothes for him. She go one day go show Captain Ibrahim, he go see before she go carry and go to 44 go give am. So
To sai na haihu sai na daina zuwa.
So as she come put to bed, she no come dey go again.
Har ya ji sauki yayi wata 6 a 44 wannan karan.
So this time around he do 6 months for 44 and he can't dey okay.
To ban ma san an ɗauke shi ba wata rana sai na shirya da yaran duka akan mu je mu kai mai yaran da na haifa 'yan biyu na haifa duka maza.
Na twin she born and all of them na boys. For that pregnancy worth taking care. So one day she say me she carry the children go show am. She no even know say they don't carry am from 44. So say
sai ashe sun ɗauke shi, sai na dawo da yaran gida muka zauna tun da daman CS aka ma.
Yeah,
Say
na
na-
CS she do. So now it makes you know fit come go see check am for some time. Wey make she no even know say they don't carry am comot from 44.
To sai na bari akan cewa ko zai zo tun da ya ji sauki kowa za su sake shi.
She come dey hope say she don well now, where that they go release am make you come back.
Shiru bai zo ba, sai yan uwan sai suka ƙara takura ni zan koma kenan, sai Allah sai ya ɗau rasuwan yaran duka biyan sai suka mutu. Bai taɓa ganin su ba.
In relations, come they pressurize her, make she go back to village, go. So as they prepare to go back to the village, the twins come die. He never see setting eyes on the twins. So yeah.
Sai suka koma. Sau daman ga yadda muka yi da yan uwa.
Bayan wata nawa kafin
Sun rasu sun kusa suna yawo 2023 suka rasu. Suna yawo ba inda su ba har
sun
na
kai
yaye.
shekara.
Sun kai shekara ɗaya, za su ma kai shekara biyu. Na haife su 2000.
Sun yi ciwo ne lokaci guda?
Ɗaya kawai ya fara zawo. To na kai tunda ayo sun ki yadda a ba mu NHIS a asibiti, ni nake komai da komai.
Yeah.
Ba sa yadda.
Suwa?
Navy din.
Navy.
In na je asibiti in na ba da sunan shi da service number din shi sai a ce wai a'a.
Yeah.
Wai sai dai shi, sai na ce ga halin da yake ciki ga ID card din shi photocopy, sai su ce a'a.
Say when the husband did detention, as those children, they don't pass 1 year, they run up and down. She don't win them off breast. Say one of them start to the purge. She rush go hospital. She give him service number, photocopy of his ID card, tell them in condition, they say now only him fit. So she no enjoy NHIS. Na so that first pikin die. Na biyun
Shi ma haka.
shi ma zawo.
Shi ma zawo yayi. Tazara su wani sati biyu sai suka koma.
This one die. After 2 weeks, the other one die. Navy no gree treat those children. Muna jinki.
Sai da suka koma. To ga halin damin da yan uwana suka ce mu abin da za su cire hannunsu. Hakanan na koma Gombe. Na ci gaba da
To.
zama saboda yara.
Of course, her family don't give her one condition. Say either may she divorce this man, then they with her, or if then she no gree divorce her, her own family don't disown her. Now so she go back to Gombe, go stay for their house, their her husband family house. Where now once then they chop, and now for night till tomorrow night again. So
Na koma January. Na koma sai wata ranar February. Aka kira ni da daddare. Sai na ji muryar wani namiji. Sai ya ce min ke ce mata Abbas? Sai na ce mai ni ce. Sai ya ce okay, to za a shiga kotu. Idan an shiga kotu Abbas baya magana. Amma
okay,
an
hold
ce
on there. Auntie Jessica, make we take one commercial break. Make we come back. Belembe. I notice say her throat dey dry, and I no wan interrupt her. Now make I carry water give her. Kin sha ruwan?
na sha sa.
To. To. Ina jinki.
Sai ya kira ni da daddare. Sai na ɗauka. Sai na
Shi
ce
wa ya kira ki?
ban san sunan shi ba.
Wani ya kira ki?
Wani ya kira ni. Sai
Now, first of all, make a refresh on our memory, make una before we take the commercial break. Now, as it is now, if the husband family disown her, she has nowhere to go. Her own family don't disown her because she no agree divorce her husband. And over there, when I see wetin she dey pass through. So she say one night somebody come call her. Dere ko darana.
Dare.
Another night again somebody call her but she no know the person. Say che me.
Sai ya ce min ke ce matar Siman Abbas, na ce sai ya ce okay. Ana shiga kotu Abbas baya magana, amma an ce idan kika zo zai yi magana. Sai na ce ni, sai ya ce sai ya ce to ki zo Abuja mana. Sai na ce mai ba ni da kuɗin motar da zan zo Abuja. Sai ya ce nawa ne zai kawo ki Abuja? Sai na ce mai ban sani ba. Lokacin ana wahalar cash din nan. Sai na ce mai ban sani ba. To yayan maman shi da na je gurinta a lokacin da daddaren sai ta ce min, sai ya ce to ki turo akan number. Sai na ce mishi to ni akan number dina na ci loan, amma zan tura maka akan number din illo dina. Haka suka turo da daddaren nan 8,000 ta POS ba suna.
Kina Gombe?
Ina Gombe.
So the person wey call her come talk say she be Abbas, her husband wife. She say yes. Say if they go court, her husband no dey gree talk. But people talk say if she come, him go talk. Say make she come Abuja now. She say she no get transport. And she dey Gombe. Remember, you say the name of the village na Yahoo Yahoo.
Lawun yawu.
Yahoo Yahoo. Lawun
yawu.
Lawun Yahoo. I think say na Yahoo Yahoo. So you can ask her how much be transport. She say she no know. He can't talk say okay. May she send su suka ce ki turo account number?
Su suka ce in tura.
She can't send her in-law account number. What in-law kanin shi ko
yayan maman shi.
Yayan maman shi. She can't send her husband, mother, senior brother account number. They can't send 8,000 naira to her from Gombe to Abuja through POS, abi? To say
suka turo kuwa sai ta je ta ciro sai ta bani sai ta ce.
Yes, mace.
Mace.
Okay, a mother senior sister.
Mace ce ita gaskiya tana supporting dina.
Yeah, she said that one they support her well.
Ko an hana ni abinci za ta bani a ɓoye.
Yeah, even when they refuse to give her food, say that one they sneak, they give her food, she and the children.
Sai ta ce
let's appreciate her. May God bless her, may God reward her.
Sai ta ce to kin san me na ce a ki kawo yaran. Tana zaune a Nainawa cikin garin Gombe Nainawa. Sai na ce mata to, sai ta ce kai ki gaya ma kowa to. Sai na ce mata to. Har kuwa da washe gari da safe da sassafe sai na shirya yaran sai muka taho sai na zo na aje mata su. Sai ta ce ki yi ki dawo. Sai na ce mata to. Sai na bar mata yaran sai na zo. Da na zo kafin in zo sai yake ce mun san Abbas bai yi laifin da ake tuhumar da shi ba. Amma ki sa shi yayi magana in kina son ki zauna da mijinki ya jawo kusa da ke.
Now, that her husband, senior sister, where they help her. They live for one area where they call Nainawa. She can't tell her, say, may she bring the children, may she keep for her, may she enter road. That same person will call her, say, Abbas no degree talk for court. Say, tell her, say, them don't say, waiting then they accuse Abbas, her husband, Shini Abbas, say, you know, do am. Say, if she know, say, she won't make, she reunite with her husband, Make them live together happily, happily, ever happily, ever. Uh-huh. Say if she want make she live with her husband again, make sure say she make am talk, because them know say waiting then they allege. Kina the number mutumi hari yanzu?
Ban the numbers.
Oh, I ask her whether she get the person. They don't thief her phone. So say make sure say she make a boss talk. She come Abuja. Da kika zo Abuja sai ya. Da na zo Abuja ko na iso da daddare wajajen karfe 10 da wani abu. She come reach Abuja around 10:30 for night. Ina zuwa to na saba zuwa inda yake sai ranar bena. Sai na ce ina Abbas, sai aka ce ai an aje shi a Raba Hall za a je kotu. So sai na ce a Raba Hall na ina, sai aka ce na defense. So as around that 10:30 she can't go straight to guard room where then they put her. She go, she no see her. She ask, they say they don't move them to Raba Hall where they for defense, so that the following day they go court ba. Yeah. To sai yaya. Sai na ce musu to sai na tafi kuwa a Raba Hall. Ina zuwa kuwa sai na ganshi, sai na ganshi kuwa ba lafiya, ciwon da ya tashi amma ba sosai ba. She can't go, she can't see him for where they keep her. The sickness don't come back, but not as before. No be too much like that. Sai na ce kana wannan condition din ne za a je kotu? She can't ask and say for this your condition na they won't go court. Sai ce musu su waye kira ki, sai na gaya mai yanda aka. You talk. You can't ask her, say who inform her. She can't tell him. Sai ce su suka kira ki, na ce su suka kira har suka tura min kuɗin mota. You can't ask her, say na then call you. She say yes. So they even send transport fare to me. Sai ce min to maman Shahid, na ce na an baban Shahid. Sai ya tsuguna, sai ya ce ina so ki min alƙawari. Sai na ce mishi to insha Allah, sai dai in bai fi ƙarfi na ba, sai dai kuma in wanda ba zan saba wa Allah ba. Sai ya ce to ‘ya'yana ki riƙe min, ‘yan uwana sun guje ni, ke kaɗai ce kike tare da ni. Akwai abin da suka shirya, ko su kashe ni ko su kai ni wani gurin da ba za ki ƙara ganina ba. Ina roƙonki tuwuya tun rintsi ki kasance da ni. Idan ba ki kasance da ni ba, to ki riƙe min yarana a kowane hali. Kin ga garinmu kuma kin ga gidanmu, ki yi haƙuri. Na ji an ce mama ta miki magana gidan nan da na fara ginawa. Ina roƙonki maman Shahid don Allah, kai ki ƙara musu magana filin nan. Idan ko ba haka ba, rayuwarki ma kima tana cikin haɗari. Sai na ce wallahi baban Shahid ni ban musu magana ba, nana ne ta yi magana. Sai ya ce ai babanmu ya kira ni ya mun magana. Sai na ce waye kira shi? Baban shi yana da rai shi. Sai na ce mishi to insha Allah ni ma da halin da kake ciki ka kasance mai gaskiya, zan riƙe maka. Amma ran da ya fi ƙarfi na, mace ce ni, ina da rauni. Kaga ƴan uwana fa sun rabu da ni kaɗai, tun na sai da komai saboda kai don ka samu lafiya. Ni ma ka yi haƙuri, in na ga ba zan iya ba wata rana ka sauwaƙe min ka in faɗa halaka. Ka yi haƙuri. Ya ce min to ki kasance don Allah, duk wuya daren ki riƙe min yara. Ya ce mai insha Allah. Muka gama wannan da safe, ga kuwa aka turo MP wani sajan ya zo ya ce a tafi da Abbas. Sai na ce mishi to hold on please. She said when she comes here, when they do that discussion, When you ask her who informed her, where she say na them, they even send them transport. Excuse me. He can't kneel down for her presence, for her front. Tell her, say, me she promise him something. She can't talk, say, for as long as you no pass her power, and for as long as no be waiting, she go commit sin against her creator. She say she promise. As he did there, so he say, waiting these people they plan. Now to either kill him or to carry and go where she no go ever see him again. But he say, I beg, make she take care of him children for him. She don't go in village, she don't go see him family. She don't see everything. Say that house where him build reach that roofing level, may she no ever talk about him again. She say even she, no be she talk about the house. Say na we be their mother talk about her. He say him father don't tell him. Now there I even discover saying the man father is still there alive. He say no matter how difficult it is, may she deal with him. Say he no get anybody again for this life. May she take care of his children. No matter how bad the situation be. Now she tell him, say, she promised, but on one condition. Say na human being she be. And now her own family don't disown her. Say there is a limit to what she can take as a woman, as a human being, and as a woman. Say it go reach where the thing go pass her power. She go beg him, make him easy for her. So after they discuss that one, now the following day, they come carry and come court. One sergeant for Nigerian
Sergeant
Abdullahi, now he carry and come court. Say
sai ya zo sai ya tafi da shi sai ya ki tafiya, aka yi tafiya ki tafiya, sai na je na sako hijabi na canza na saka wani, sai na ce baban shi ka sa kayan mu tafi, sai ya ce a'a, sai na ce ka san me zan bi ka mu je, ya ce zaki je, na ce zaki haƙuri da duk abin da kika ji, na ce insha Allah, sai ya ce to ya saka wandon kamu muka tafi.
The sergeant come, Sergeant Abdullahi come to carry and go court. You no agree move. Now she come tell and say, she come call him by the name where she they call him. Say make you go. He say you no go. She say make you go. I go with you. He ask her, you go with me? She say yes. Yeah. Now there he wear her in camo flag trouser. Come arrange. Say
muka je
they can't go.
Muna zuwa kotu sai muka ga sai wani ya zo gunshi. In mu sojojin suka zo da yawa sai suka same shi. Abbas yau ga madan ka yi magana, sai he ta dariya. Sai ta dariya ya shiru. Sai wani sai ya zo ya ce mai Abbas wani RSM nama star ne dai amma kayan kamu ya sa. Sunan shi na manta dai sunan shi.
Okay.
Sai ya zo ya ce mana muna zaune, sai ya ce Abbas Ami ne wannan. Ya ce Abbas ka yi magana, Nebi ba za ta kore ka a aiki ba. Idan Ami ta cire ka a defense, to Nebi ba za ta kore ka ba. Ka yi magana ka fita daga wannan condition ɗin da kake ciki.
So at the end go there. She say one army man one stabber come meet her husband, tell am say make he talk, make he comot himself for this condition. Say if army remove am from defense, say navy no go dismiss am. Na wetin he tell am be that before they start the court procedure.
Yes, sir.
But ki tana sunan shi bako?
Gaskiya na manta.
Okay, she no fit remember the one star name. So say ya.
Sai wanda zai yi kotun judgment din Komodo Akinwale.
Komodo
Akinwale.
The presiding judge. Na Komodo Akinwale.
Sai aka ce Komodo Akinwale ne zai yi, ba ma a gaya mini na ga anan din shi, sai muka je office.
Now she goes to see from a name tag. They no tell her, but she see where they write Akinwale for in chest.
Sai muka je gurin shi, sai muka samu, kafin mu je gurin shi akwai wani nebi Okoro, officer nebi ne, amma MP ne amma na nebi. Okoro. Sai ya ce min, Madam Abbas, ki yi hakuri ki sa Abbas ya yi magana, mun san me ne yake faruwa. Sai na ce mishi, to ni wannan magana dai ta ki, wata irin magana ni zan sa kuwa Abbas ya yi, me yake dai faruwa. Sai shi mijin na sai ya taka min kafa, sai ne shiru.
One of the MPs na Navy military police be come tell her, say, Madam Abbas, this woman say make you tell your husband make he talk, we know everything where they go on. Now she say, which talk when I want make he talk, when I want make I make him talk, waiting be that thing we know where I don't know, something like that. The man, her husband take leg match her, say make she no talk again, she can't keep quiet.
Da ya taka min kafan sai na shiru, sai da wancan ya tafi, sai ya ce duk wanda ya zo kake ƙara mai magana, za su ji me ne za ki dinga faɗi tunda kotu za a shiga. Sai muka tafi ofis ɗin Komodo Akinwale.
After that man don't go, now tell her, say anybody will come, make she no talk to them again. Say may the lee say what kotu za a shiga koya.
Sai muka je ofis. Saboda za a shiga kotu. Kar ki ƙara ma kowa magana saboda su ji me za ki faɗi ne.
Okay. Oh, this outside talk now to feel her pulse. Maybe they feel even use them against her, against the husband in the court. So he say, na court we won't enter now. So anybody will come, no talk to them again. So,
Da muka je ofis kafin mu ga Komodo Akinwale, sai wani riya Admira Muhammad sai ya fito. Sai ya same mu. Mata Abbas, Abbas ya ma Abbas magana, Abbas ya tashi mai salon. Sai ya ce, wai Abbas yanzu ka ga yadda ka koma. Ju yadda ka koma, kai babba yanzu ji yadda ka koma. Sai dariya. Sai ya ce, mata Abbas ki gaya min me yanzu kike so a miki a nan. Kuma me Abbas yake faruwa. Sai na ce ni oga
Hold on there. Me sunan shi?
Muhammad.
Me mukamin shi?
Star biyu ne na Navy. 1-2
star for Navy come out before they go enter the Akinwale's office. Sorry, point of correction. The chief judge of FCT no be in Papa die na in Mama. Okay. I beg, point of correction. I'm sorry. Our condolences to him. Please, no be in Papa na in Mama. Now she say that 2-star way then they call Abdullahi.
Muhammad.
Abi? Muhammad. Come look. As he come, her husband stand up, give a compliment. In come, they tell the husband, say, see what happen to you now. See you way big. See as you don't lean now, and the rest they scold her. he come turn to her, say, Madam, wetin you want now? Come ask her, wetin be the situation with her husband? Nadia interrupt her, say, yeah.
Yana ce ni da abu da nake so ni da dan Allah a sake min mijina ya dawo ya zauna a gida mai treatment din jikin shi.
She come tell and say the only thing where she want now, make they release her husband, make he come house, make she treat him, make she continue with the treatment, make her husband well. Say yeah.
Sai ya ce Abbas kai kuwa me sai shi mijina sai ya ce shi yanzu bai san me zai ce da court da za a shiga ba.
He can't ask Abbas wetin he want. Abbas can't tell and say we don't know wetin he go talk because it's na court they want enter. So abi.
Sai ya ce saboda me kace haka Abbas? Sai ya ce to oga na dawo daga asibiti na yi duty na je command na yi duty.
Oh wait oh. You can't ask the husband say wetin you want. Your husband say talk. Wetin you want make I talk again. Say a cikin wannan detention din after he well they come they post am on duty. I don't know whether I want to understand though. He resume normal duty then they post am to go duty for command. What? Continue.
Ya ce na yi duty a command, na yi duty a main gate, na yi duty a soja club, na yi duty a Deve Park, Dika Park, kuma yanzu an ce kuma na je escort na yakini. To ni oga na rasa mene yake faruwa. Menene oga ka gaya min gaskiyan abin da yake faruwa. Tunda kai ogana ne ne bi.
The husband come ask the senior say, in this condition, una don't post me to command, una don't post me to main gate, una don't post me to officers mess, ko?
Officers mess.
So una don't post me. I don't do escort for General Yekini. I don't say, sir, tell me. Wetin dey happen because he dey confused. You don't know wetin they go on again. Say
ya ce me ne duk za a yi Christmas ko sallah za a raba mu kowa abinci amma ba za a ba family ɗina ba kuma za a aje ni matata da ta wahala tana siyo min magani. Ni yanzu oga ka gaya min me ne wai me yake faruwa.
Come they ask the senior, the 2-star Navy. Say wetin I do, wetin dey happen, sir. Christmas go come, they go share food stuff for every family. They no go give my family. This my wife, now she dey buy medicine for me. Navy no gree treat me. Sir, wetin dey happen? And wait, make I ask one question. Wannan abincin da ake raba har da wa'anda suke sell ana raba ma families ɗinsu?
Har da su.
Even people wey dey for detention sell like am, then they share for am, for the share food give them. But only him, na him family, they know they give food. So continue.
Sai ce yaushe ne ba a baka ba ya ce ni tun da na shigo Abuja zan ga aba kowa a bar shi ma sitil shekara 2 nan ban da lafiya ban san hayyaci na ba amma yanzu da nake samu ina kallo idan na je sai a ce ba za a bani ba. Da aka zo exam na ɗora AB zan ɗora AB wannan abin oga sai da na kuka. Ya ce me ya faru? Ya ce an ce za a yi exam a cikin nan cikin Abacha Barak. An rubuta sunan kowa mate ina 21 AK. Da na je ba sunana. Duk wanda ma na bashi hannuna mate sai kowa ya dinga guduna. Oga wannan abu yana damuna har kuka yayi rana.
You can't tell that in senior, that 2-star Mohammed. Say he no know wetin he do. Say promotion exam come. They write everybody name. they omit his name. He go where they gather there for the promotion. As he come, no people won't know him. Normal. They, if he stretch hand, people they avoid him. He say, what he do? Everybody they enjoy benefit. They never dismiss him. But other people, when they face the same disciplinary process, then they enjoy little things where then they give Navy. But him, they no give him. He say, what he do? Say all his mates, in course mates, they write their names for that promotion exam. Him, in name no day. He they tell that in 2-star Oga we be Mohammed. Say, eh?
Say it too.
He said she said the husband they talk and they cry.
Say it. Abbas, wannan escort da kuka je da ka bi general Yakini, dai ka park da kai duty, a nan aka ganka aka gaya ma MS Adamu akan ka fara aiki ka ji sauki. Shi kuma da ya ji sai ya ce bai yadda ba, waye ce a baka duty.
Oh!
Waye ce a sa ka kai duty kuma waye bude ka a nan gurin da kake. Shi ne judgment din case ya ce a mai da kai, a mai da case.
Me sunan park din?
Dika Park.
You get one place where they post the husband. Now this 2-star Mohammed tell him say, you see that escort where you do for General Yakini. You see that duty where you do for something park, Deca Park or something park. Say Nadia that the general ne ganshi ko wani ne ganshi.
Yaran shi din ne suka.
Na the general, that general
MS Adamu. MS
Adamu. We put him for this trouble. The in boys see him, go tell the general, the MS Adamu. Now he call and talk say, oh, who go say he no agree. So this guy don't well. So tell they don't put him for duty. Say he no agree. Now there he can't reactivate the case. If no be so, then be won't forgive him. Say aya.
Sai ce okay, sai ce to duk abin da suke so akan ya ce ya kashe MS Adamu. In magana ma da ake sa shi ne akan cewa yayi magana a kotu, to ba zai yi magana ba. Ba zai yi magana ba.
Okay. So her husband come talk say, oh, now I understand say he can't understand say this MS Adamu na kill. He won't make them kill him. So that talk where they talk say he go make he talk for court. Say if he go, he no go talk again.
Sai muka fito da Abbas ya ga magana na sai ya ce to Abbas ka tashi ku tafi lokaci yayin. Sai muka fito, muna fitowa sai muka ga wani, ni ban san shi ba, sai ya ce min lauyan shi ne, yaron lauyan shi ne. Sai shi ma sai ya ce mata Abbas ki sa Abbas yayi magana mana. Za ki tafi da mijinki gida, ba ki so ki tafi da mijinki ne? Na ce a ba ina so.
One of the boys to the lawyer to her husband, as they leave that 2-star Muhammad, they come. The boy see her. Say they won't enter court now. Say he can't tell her. Say Mrs. Abbas, tell your husband to talk, because you know one make yace miki ya ne?
Yace mai in sa shi yayi magana mana in ban san in ga mijina ne kusa da ni. Make her husband talk. Abi she know one day with her husband, me see her husband. Sai na ce mishi to shi dai bai magana ba.
She can't answer, but her husband no talk.
Sai muna zaune sai ga lauyan ya zo.
The main lawyer come.
Ya ce mata Abbas kin zo kenan. Na ce
now the main lawyer come ask her, Mrs. Abbas, you don't come so.
Na ce kai waye? Ce ai ni ne lauyan Abbas. Na ce okay to.
She can't ask him who you be. He say Naim be the lawyer to her husband.
Sai na ce mai to na gode da kokarin da kake. Sai ya ce yanzu dai kin sa Abbas zai yi magana ko?
She can't thank him for the effort way they make. The lawyer can't ask her whether she don't make her husband to talk now. Today ready to talk. What in there for this man talk where they want here? Anyway, so
Ako sai aka shiga kotu.
they can't enter court.
Ana shiga kotu aka zo. To wanda aka ce zai yi judgment din wanda na sani sai aka canza.
The Akinwale way supposed to be the judge. They can't change him.
Sai aka ɗora wani
Army.
officer ne ma ga sunan shi ba.
Instead of naval officer now na army officer, but she don't know his name. Ko kisa sunan shi? She don't know his name, but they don't change the judge overnight according to her.
Sai aka canza su. Sai na ga aka suka taru Navy, Air Force, dukkansu sai suka taru.
So she can't see Navy, Air Force, all of them. All I'm there. We go continue tomorrow by the grace of God. I want to make you rest your mind. The trauma are too much for you. If we continue like this, we will not go there fair to you. First of all, let's appreciate her. Tomorrow, by the grace of God, we go continue from where they enter court, and Army, Navy, Air Force, all of them they there. No be where we stop with that. Make we appreciate her again. Drink water. Drop the microphone. This other woman too. Now another case. This one they see her husband. This one no where her husband dey. And Navy no agree talk to her. Now the two cases where I talk say we no go do on air. Where I talk say make them call the PRO, the spokesperson of the Nigerian Navy, make he handle make he listen to these women privately, so that Navy go take action internally. Where he talk say he no go see Akaramakala with the women unless Akaramakala go come alone, make them familiarize first. Akaramakala tell and say, I don't get any business to come to you. Now, ordinary president give me instructions, say, make I carry wives, una wives, we carry complaint come. We no one make members of the public hear the injustice will happen to them. Make una remedy the situation internally. The man no agree.